how to grow your NFT project on Twitter organically. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can grow your NFT project on Twitter organically. So before anything else, let's get right into the video. Now, everyone knows that Twitter is a pretty essential tool for your NFT. I mean, to develop a name and grow your NFT project, because Twitter is it's the most trendy platforms for people to actually talk about NFTs and join the NFT community. And the NFT community is most active on Twitter. So any other social media platform really does not rack up to Twitter, other than like TikTok. And NFTs are usually promoted a lot on Twitter, and you need to be in the loop and in the circle for you to begin promoting your own NFTs. Now, how do you actually start with promoting your NFTs on Twitter? So it's a very simple process, and a very simple process for you to actually start developing a reputation or a account or a general know-how on the Twitter community. So what you're going to do is first you have to create an interaction to famous people. Say for example, Board API Cloud. So there are a lot of people commenting, retweeting their tweets. So you have to interact on those people. Yeah, you have to retweet again as well their tweets, comment, like their posts, stuff like that. So that's how you basically grow your community. But in this video, what we're going to do is we'll help you do the job easily, okay? And do the job easier. So first things first, what we have to do here. So as you can see, this is Twitter. But first things first, guys, I highly recommend that when you're going to do this thing, you have to create your another account, not your main account on Twitter. Say for example, just a Twitter account for specifically for NFT, just like this. I created my own NFT Twitter for just NFT things. Alright, so first things first, you have to do is you can go to Google, and what you have to do is search social media bot extension. And once you search that, you'll get into this page. So what you need to do is add to Chrome and then add extension, and you just have to wait for that, and it will just pop out here once it is added. So once you downloaded the extension, once it's finished downloading, you will see this website here. It says bealock.com. So it will show you some kind of tutorials and stuff on how you're gonna use the application or the software. Now here's the thing, guys. What you're going to do here next is once this is downloaded, you just have to click on this one and try to pin it, so you will just show it on the upper part of your site. Now if you click you'll see this interface. You see like, unlike, retweet, unretweet, follow, and only followers, unfollow, and followers. Now you'll have the option tutorials and contact. Once you click this website here, I mean this social media icons here, once you click TikTok, it will lead you to TikTok. Once you click Twitter, it will lead you to Twitter. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'll be showing you guys on how you can set it up here. Now this default settings here, this is for you guys to avoid any inconvenience for your account on Twitter, because if you're gonna change this one, you're gonna lower the time frame or whatnot, the Twitter algorithm might detect you as a bot, and once Twitter detects a bot, they will automatically ban you. They might not be banning you forever, but they might actually soft ban you, and you won't be able to use your account for a short period of time. But I don't want that one to happen to you guys, so I suggest do not change this default settings that they already have for this software. And this one you can set it up for two. This is for a skip a few posts, random range each time you leave a like. So yeah, it will skip 2 posts. The same goes for repost or retweet, and as well as on following. Now, as what I mentioned earlier, guys, that's why you don't want to mess up with this one, because Twitter might detect you as bot and they're gonna ban your account. That's why I suggested earlier that you're gonna use a specific account for your NFT only. All right. So here's the thing we're gonna do here. Once you have set this one up, you have to click Save Option, and then we'll wait for that. So the good thing about this software, guys, is as you can see, you can just search NFT here, and you can go to like latest, and you don't have to like wait, you don't have to like sit around. You can just leave this running for however long you want, and then this will count as your active time on Twitter. And people are going to be like, oh, this person is really interacting with the community, and this is a person that is active in the community, and they will take a look at your account and follow you, and you'll see that you see the NFT content that you're posting and promoting. Now after that, you can you can also like go to say for example, we have this on we have this like things on our page here. As you can see, my internet is not good right now, but I'll just show you guys on how this one works. So these are the posts that we have when we search hashtag NFT. So what I do is I'm going to click like, and then hit this clock icon, and then hit OK, hit OK. For some reason it's not working. Give me 1 sec. I think this is with because of the internet connection. Let me see. So I'll just show you guys on how this works. So hit like. So as you can see, it likes the post, and it will skip like 2 posts, and once you can just like set it up for like 256 likes, and then you can stop it anytime you want to. And one thing you can do is, once you search NFT, you can go to this search NFT and go to people, and then you can start using the bot like following. So you can click follow, and then there you go. You'll see it will automatically follow. I'm not using my mouse, and it will just automatically follow people. So rather than like sitting around waiting and exposing yourself to radiation, you can just like go outside, do what you want to do, and then just leave this computer do its thing. All right, so this is the best, really best thing when you're going to use this social media bot. And you can always like there is an option as well for you guys. I'll show you. You have the option to give me 1 sec. You have the option to buy this one, to use their premium service. As this is a free version and has the following limitations: so max likes, follows in session 10. So if you want to like max out the usage, or max out the capability of this social media bot, you can actually buy it for $19 a year and $39 a year, something like that. So it's all up to you guys, but I highly suggest you can always use the free version, and you could always play around. And you can use this one on TikTok. You just have to do the same process. Click this bot, click on TikTok, and go to the specific page or specific community that you wanted to go, and then like their posts, retweet, follow or unfollow. It's all up to you, and that way you can maximize, or you can grow your NFT community, or any community that you are in. It's pretty simple to use and pretty fun to use as well, and it's pretty convenient for me. So I think that's pretty much it, guys, and I hope you learned something from this video. And if you do, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. All right, and that would actually going to be a very huge help for me, as I am going to enlarge the NFT community here on YouTube space. And once again, guys, with that being said, thank you so much, and you guys have a great one.